Hello, Professor. Hello, everyone. This is Mehdi Hassan, and today I'm going to present this presentation. And as a medium-sized manufacturing company, I choose the Friends Clothing Limited as our company. So, Friends Clothing Limited is a visionary clothing manufacturing firm producing high-quality dresses with innovative and environment-friendly processes. And this is our agenda. So our agenda is business introduction, vision, mission, and strategic analysis, operation and production, inventory and supply chain management, planning and scheduling. So this is the business specification. So first of all, the location, we will choose our business location near industrial area and where the shipping ports are very nearby, so that the transportation cost and time we can reduce. So then the suppliers, uh, as we are medium size company, so we are not intended to do the fabric manufacturing process, which is very the setup cost is very high. That's why we will source various kinds of we will source the fabric and the accessories from various kinds of international and local suppliers. And the ERP system, we will use the ERP system for integrated communication, and it will be faster communication among the company as well as with the buyers. So the clients, we will work with various kinds of international and local brands like H&M, Zara, Lululemon, and etc. So the internal workforce, in our company, we will set up the HR team, inventory team, merchandising team, marketing team, production team, I mean industrial engineering team, logistics, and accounting. And then the product specification. So as you know, we are the medium sized company, so at first we will start with two products. So first one is t-shirt and second one is polo shirt. So for the t-shirt, we can use 85% cotton and 15% polyester, or 100% cotton or 100% polyester as per the buyer demand. So we can use 140 to 170 gsm and single jersey fabric, but the MOQ should be like 2000 pieces per color. Otherwise we cannot maintain our production cost. And the second one is a polo shirt. So as like as the t-shirt, so we can use 85% cotton and 15% polyester, or 100% cotton, or as per the buyer demand we can use the fabrics. For the polo shirt, we can use 200 gsm to 240 gsm, and fabric should be PK, and the MOQ again 2000 pieces for polo shirts. And finally, the production process, we will have the three departments for the production: cutting department, swing department, and the finishing department. So in cutting department, there will be 30 cutting machine, two automated spreading machine, and there will be so trained operator for the cutting department, and 1000 pieces production capacity per day. And for the swing, after cutting the body parts of the garments, the this will come to the swing department, and there will be four swing lines with 20 machine each line, and 80 operators and 20 helpers, and 1000 pieces per day the production capacity. And finally the finishing, so 30 with 30 iron machines and the quality checking lines, the when the sewn parts of the garments will come to the finishing department, they will iron the garments, and after that they will check the quality, and after folding and packing, they will be ready to hand over to the shipping department. So here again, the production capacity will be 1000 pieces per day. Thank you, and I would like to request my next presenter to present his slide. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Leslie, and today I'm talking about mission and vision. So, Friends Clothing is driven by a mission to produce exceptional clothing while staying in the forefront of innovation and sustainability. So, in a rapidly evolving fashion industry, Friends Clothing is committed to using premium materials, maximizing efficiency, and fostering strong relationships with both suppliers and customers. So, for target customer analysis, the key demographics are between the ages of 30 to 55 years old, because as we found in the research, this is the age range of people that hold job positions that handle the supplier selection and production outsourcing for their companies. So Friends Clothing works with multinational and domestic fast fashion brands such as H&M, Zara, Lululemon, and as well as medium-sized clothing business. So these companies rely on a large-scale, cost-effective, and fast production. So Friends Clothing operational model is designed to deliver just that. The company also supports young clothing entrepreneurs by providing scalable production model, eliminating the need for costly factory investment. Adding to that, corporate and promotional clothing supplies benefit from the competitive pricing and ability to customize fabric composition like GSM weight, branding elements. Ultimately, Friends Clothing is more than a manufacturer. It is a partner that helps branding bring their creative visions to life with the flexibility, quality, efficiency that this company is positioned to meet the diverse, dynamic needs of the fashion industry.
Hello everyone, my name is Renato Nampa, and today we are talking about the business surrounding and trends. There is the business surround about the industry, the apparel industry. So first, we are to share some about the statistics and forecasting. As we see in the image in the right side, you can see from Statistics Canada about the total import and export of apparel industry between 2016 to 2020. You can see has been a growth about 2.1% in shipments and also in exports about near 1%, reaching a total about near 2,000 billion of Canadian dollars. So, by the other hand, for 2025 is expected to have about the teacher market that is our company's focus is expected to generate above for more than 4,200 million Canadian dollars compared to 2020 has been an increase in those years that you can see in the image below. And there has been an increase after pandemics of course, and also the image below in the right side from Statista, you can see a forecast between 2025 to 2020 to 2029. So this this forecasting is projected a growth about 2.78% in between these years, and also the average volume per person is estimated to increase for previous statistics from 1.5 to 2.88 units by 2025. Also, by 2029, the volume of teachers market is expected to reach in total the more than 64 million units. So locally, we have to focus on our competitors also. We are assessment of our competitors, our principal companies, and also offer the same strategic for manufacturing for customers is also in-house. They're located in Vancouver, Paris Garment Factory, and 11th floor apparel and gift manufacturers that are located in Toronto. These companies offer also for local consumers here in Canada, and also export garments overseas, principally to the United States, and also for the Europe and other countries like Australia and Middle East. Also, for our company, it's important to support our critical values. That is from the core industry goal is support the small and medium companies to streamline the processes from scratch, from their design, from the designing processes also to manufacturing, offering high quality products and at competitive price. Also, we are seeing the current trends. After pandemics, people are more concerned about environmental concerns, so they are looking for sustainable practices, sustainable manufacturing practices and also eco-friendly materials. E and another important factors is have our clients needs to have online presence. So among our services, the manufacturing services, and also we can provide some time of consultation for them in that sense. For the next slide.
Now, when it comes to the SWOT analysis, strengths, the company is showing a solid product line, good organizational structure, and a tax division overall. The balanced approach they have to production and including control over essential processes like cutting and sewing is also an aspect that helps strengthen the company overall. When it comes to weaknesses, we have a limited daily batch size of 1,000. This can be of relevance, especially with big players like Zara and H&M. There's heavily reliance on third parties for accessories, and also the product line is very shallow, having only two shirts. When it comes to opportunities, sustainability, and eco-friendliness, and also improving the company's technological equipment seem to be the two most important aspects where the company could improve the opportunities they could embrace. And finally, threats. There's heavy competition and cheaper overseas competitors. They have been for a while in this industry. There's also economic fluctuations, mostly seasonal, but also related to major events such as the COVID-19 pandemic. And finally, there are competitors with broader product mixes that could also leave the company at a disadvantageous position. And then we have a 3-year strategic business plan, and the first year, transition to cotton and polyester would be optimal, and incrementing daily capacity to 1,200 units, and decreasing the minimum order quantity to 1,500 in order to accommodate orders from smaller local businesses. Now, in the second year, adding a product line based on premium organic cotton can help expand the market, implement real tracking, supply chain real-time tracking through ERP, and also smaller and customized batches for local businesses will be accepted. The daily capacity will be incremented to 1,500 units. And finally, in third year, we want to position the company as a leader in sustainable manufacturing, clothing manufacturing. These through initiatives like solar panels and 100% sustainable packaging. We plan to expand our markets into the European Union, and also benefit from eventual contracts with startups and venture capital. Finally, the daily capacity will increase to 2,000 units by the end of year 3.
Hello everyone, my name is Adarsh and today I'll be talking on the topic of production process flowchart, operation capacity, and break-even point for Friends Clothing Limited. Our company specialized in manufacturing t-shirts and polo shirts while focusing on lean manufacturing and just-in-time inventory management. So, coming to the process flow and the production line flowchart, the number one is raw material procurement. We source fabric buttons and labels from suppliers and inspect their quality. Then, moving forward to the cutting department, we have 30 cutting machines. We shape the fabric into the specific patterns. Then, moving forward to swing department, our 4 swing lines stitches the pieces together with 80 operators and 20 helpers. Then, it is forwarded for the quality check, where garments are inspected for defects like stitching errors. Then, the finishing department takes place, where items are ironed, labeled, and packed for the final processing. After that, there is a final inspection. Before the shipment, products undergo another quality check. And then there is the packing of the product. And then it is packed in the cartons and stored for the distribution, which comes under the shipping. So you can see in the flowchart, like every step is designed to ensure smooth and efficient production with minimal delays. Coming forward,
Hi, I will be talking about how Friends Clothing Limited balances its production lines to align capacity and with demand effectively. So the company operates with a structured production strategy to enhance its efficiency. Our production capacity is set at 1,000 pieces per day per department, covering cutting, sewing, and finishing processes. Over the next 3 months, we anticipate a demand of 50,000 t-shirts and 30,000 polo t-shirts. To meet this demand without overproducing, we employ a just-in-time production approach. This strategy minimizes excess inventory, uh, reduces waste, and ensures a continuous workflow. So breaking it down monthly, we plan to produce 16,000 units in the first month, increasing to 23,000 in the second, uh, and about 18,000 in the third month. So this approach helps us maintain a steady output while adjusting to market demand fluctuations. By preventing bottlenecks and keeping production aligned with real-time demand, we can optimize resource utilization and maintain high efficiency. This balance is crucial for timely deliveries and cost efficiency, ensuring that we neither fall behind schedule nor produce excessive stock.
Good morning, everyone. This is Ajat Hussain. So today I'll be discussing the inventory management and supply chain strategy of Friends Clothing Limited, focusing on efficiency, cost optimization, and seamless operation. So the first thing is inventory management approach. So Friends Clothing Limited adopts a perpetual inventory system integrated with an ABC classification model to track stock in real time, ensuring precise control over raw materials, accessories, and finishing goods. So, if anyone asks like why they should use this system, so we have some points here. So, the first thing is real time tracking. So, with ERP integration, inventory updates happen 24/7, and the second one is minimize stock issues. So that reduces overstocking and stock cut outs. And the third one is better decision making. So managers have immediate access to inventory data. So after that, we have uh, additionally, the company follows the economy, order quantity, and reorder point models. So EOQ helps determine optimal order quantities, minimizing cost. And they also use ROP, which is ensures material are recorded before depletion to avoid production delays. So and then we're going to talk about supply chain strategy, so which is about just-in-time model. So Friends Clothing Limited follows just-in-time supply chain strategy to reduce waste and improve efficiency. So the supply chain operates in four different keys. So the first one is raw material procurement. So ERP automates order for fabrics and accessories, and the second one is manufacturing. So that is about cutting, sewing, and finishing, are optimized using the stopwatch method to boost efficiencies. And the third one is inventory tracking, so which is about real-time updates, ensure accurate stock allocation. And the last one is shipping and logistics, so which is all about orders are delivered on schedule based on buyers' demands. So if someone asks like why just in time, why not other methods? So we have also some points regarding this. So first one is it reduces excess inventory and avoids overproduction by only ordering materials when needed. The second one is ERP-driven procurement ensures seamless suppliers collaboration and on-time material arrivals. And the last one is agile production and automated workflows minimizes downtime and improve responsiveness. And after that, some key advantages we have if they use these kind of strategies. And the first one is cost optimizations, which is that helps in lowers that helps in lower storage and procurement cost. And the second one is higher efficiencies, which makes faster production within minimal delays. And the third one is enhanced buyer satisfaction, which is about real-time order tracking, builds trust among customers. And the last one is sustainable operations, which is reduced material waste and logistic cost. So if I conclude everything, to recapitulate everything, so by integrating procurement, inventory, EOQ, ROP, and just-in-time strategies, we believe Friends Clothing Limited maintains a competitive edge globally, ensuring cost effectiveness, efficiency, and sustainable supply chain management. So this is all about my part. So I would like to request my other teammate to go forward. Thank you.
Slide. We're talking about the evaluation criteria of subcontractors and vendor to ensure quality and consistency. Friends Clothing Limited evaluates subcontractors and vendors based on five key criteria. These are the quality standards, cost effectiveness, dependability, sustainability practices, and compliance with industry regulations. This approach ensures durable, affordable, and ethically produced materials while maintaining smooth operations and meeting safety standards. So now evaluation process. The first one is to evaluate the vendors. The first step can be the vendor pre-qualification. We collect comprehensive data on vendors, including sustainability practices and financial stability. The other one is the site audits and inspections. We conduct on-site evaluations to ensure that vendors meet our ethical and quality standards. The next one is performance history analysis. We assess historical data to verify consistency in product quality and timely delivery. The other criteria and the process is the sample testing. Product samples are tested for durability and quality before making any final decision. So now key performance indicators. The the key performance indicators are real-time data monitoring. Our ERP system tracks production output, order status, and inventory in real time. Automated reporting. The system generates performance reports, helping us quickly identify issues and make informed decisions. The another one is the data analytics. Analytical insights from the system allow us to spot patterns and areas for improvement. ERP system integration. By connecting various departments, we ensure seamless data sharing and enhance operational coordination.
So good morning everyone. Today I will be presenting the aggregate production for plan for Friends Clothing Limited. The goal of aggregate plan is to balance demand and production capacity efficiently over a specific timeline. So for the next 3 months, our estimated demand is 50,000 t-shirt and 30,000 polo shirt as you can see, and our production capacity is set at 1000 piece per day for cutting, saving, and finishing, with a work schedule of 25 days per month. So to maintain efficiency, we follow just in time inventory strategy, which means production closely follow demand to reduce excessive inventory and waste. Now moving to the